Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will experiment again a little bit. I like to experiment, play with paint, with fluid acrylics, and I have 12 by 20 inch canvas, and I will use 7-chamber split cup, and I will do kind of wandering split cup pour, and then I'm planning to do some swipes on top. I don't know how this will work, but if you don't try, you don't know. So I will pour some greenish blue here and Amsterdam. This is latte, this little piggy pigments. Shimmery, beautiful pigment, kind of latte. And this is golden Cornecodon nickel azo gold. And I have burnt amber by Amsterdam. Nope. So I go with some earth tones and some blues, and iridescent precious gold by Pebeo. And I have Prussian blue by Artist Colors. So many brands. And I have cinnamon by these little piggy pigments. And the last chamber, in the last chamber. And I will swipe with some black. This is just my swiping black, and I have some white for flow extender, and I will go kind of like that, kind of a landscape thing, I hope. So let's start pouring. Okay. I definitely want one swipe through here and one through here, and maybe leave this, but I'm not sure if I have enough paint, so I will add just a little more because my canvas is quite big. So
of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So here is a close-up of the wet results. This was just playing with paint, as I said, and I kind of like it now because you can see some beautiful shimmer from these little pigments. This part is my favorite. And I am kind of happy with the, not kind of, I'm happy with the look that I got. But this wasn't my plan. But it, as I said, it was an experiment. For me, playing with paint and watch how it reacts, what is happening. It's something that I really love about fluid art. And I think that I ended up with beautiful landscape painting. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I will try to show you the details, and I love the composition. I played quite a lot, and I did lose almost all of my split cup design, but sometimes, you know, you just play, and I played quite a lot with that. I love this part with those little cells, gold cells here. And I just love this final result, I will say. So this was just me playing with paint, and at the end I end up with something that I like. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.